Hi, good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you are doing okay at your place and studying as well. So, till now, we have done so many small topics of grammar. Now, we'll start with the chapter of literature, and that's chapter 1, Mary and the Mouse. So, it's a story about a girl and her three more friends. So, let's begin with the chapter. Mary is playing with her friends Aslam, Harjeet, and Millie. Mary's mother brings fruits and biscuits for them. So there's a girl, Mary, and what is she doing? She's playing games with her friends. And what exactly is she playing? She's playing carom board, just like you people are playing these days at your place. So, what are the names of her friends? In the red turban, Harjeet. In pink dress, Millie. And in yellow t-shirt and red shorts, Aslam. And Mary is in blue dress. So, beside Mary, you see her mother is coming inside the room and she brought what she brought? Fruits and biscuits. And for whom? For the kids. Suddenly, Mary sees a mouse near the plate of biscuits. Suddenly, what happened? Mary saw a mouse. Mary saw a mouse. And what happened after that? She started shouting, "Help! Help!" She was so scared of the mouse, she started shouting. And what Harjeet was saying? "It's your turn, Mary." So Harjeet were asking Mary to play her turn, but she was so scared, she was shouting, "Help! Help!" And when she was shouting, Aslam was very surprised and he asked, why are you shouting, Mary? What happened? Then what happened afterwards? Mary jumps up and runs out. What Mary did? She just jumps out of the game and runs out of the room. And her friends also followed her. They also ran after her. "Please help," Mary was saying, "please help." And three of the friends were saying, "Stop, Mary, please stop." They were trying to stop Mary. Now what happened afterwards? They all came to living room. They are in the living room now. After coming out of that room, they all came to living room. And Mary is sitting with her feet up. See in the picture how Mary is sitting? She's not putting her feet down. She's not touching the ground. She was folding her legs and then sitting on the chair because she was so scared of the mouse. Then what happened? Then Millie said, "Let's go back to your room, Mary." Millie was saying, "Don't be scared, Mary. Let's go back to your room." And then Aslam also said same. "Yes, let's go and play." Then what Mary said? I don't want to." She was not ready to go back to the room. "Someone please help me." She was asking for help. See, it also happens with you when you see some insect or lizard or mouse in school also or at your place. You just jumps out and runs out of that room, no? Same that thing happened with Mary. Now in the next box, what happened? Mary sees the mouse again. Oh, again she saw the mouse. She gets off the chair and shouts. Now she was sitting on the chair. She jumps out of that chair also and started shouting. Then Aslam asked, "What is wrong, Mary?" He was asking, "What happened to you, Mary? Why are you shouting?" Then Millie said, "Look at her. Why is she shouting?" They were so confused that why Mary is shouting again and again. They didn't saw the mouse that time, but Mary saw and she started shouting because she was so scared. She was so scared. Now what happened? Mary is now standing on the bed. Now what Mary did? She just get off the chair and stands on the bed. Her mother comes in. Then when she started shouting, her mother heard her. So she came inside the room and she asked, "Why are you standing on the bed, Mary?" She asked, "Why are you standing on the bed?" Because she was also shocked. They were playing the games, no? And suddenly she saw that Mary is standing on the bed and the other friends are standing on the floor. Then let's see what happened. Mary is scared. Mary was so scared. Scared means she was so afraid. You also got afraid of when you saw mouse or when you see a lizard or any other insects. She does not want to play on the rug. No, she doesn't want to play on the rug. Rug means mat. She just want to sit on the bed or somewhere else, but not at the place where she saw the mouse. Then her mother said, "Scared? Oh, the mouse. It must have come to taste your biscuits." Now mother was so surprised and she was laughing. She was saying, "Oh, you are scared. Now, and because of the mouse you are standing here. It must have come." So mother was saying that why the mouse has come? To taste the biscuits. Mary's mother brought them biscuits, no? To taste those biscuits, the mouse must have come. Now what happened afterwards? The mouse went back to its hole. And afterwards, when Mary looks again, the mouse is not there. Mary looks again on the floor and the mouse was not there. And now what happened? The children are now cleaning up the room. Now what happened? Children started cleaning up the room because when they were playing games, no, and they were eating also. So they have spoiled the place. So now they are cleaning up the room. Now what Aslam and Millie saying? The mouse got scared of us. It is such a small animal. Now they were saying that mouse is also scared of them. The way Mary was scared of the mouse, same way mouse was so scared of these people, these kids. But Harjeet said, "I like mice. Mice are nice." Harjeet was very happy to see the mouse. So he's saying that I like mice. He like mice. Mice is the plural of mouse. Don't get confused. It's not a gender. Mice is plural of mice. So he's saying mice are nice. That means he loves mice. And the parents are saying well done because they were cleaning the room themselves and the parents were happy. Now I hope you have understood the story. Please underline the words, those who are difficult word. In the next slide, I have given you new words as well as the word meaning. So now we'll read the new words of this chapter. First word is brings. Second, suddenly. Third, turn. Fourth, follow. Fifth, please. Sixth, scared. Seventh, taste. And eighth, mice. Now word meaning. First one is turn. Turn means chance. When you play games, then you wait for your turn, no? You wait for your chance to come. Second word, shout. Shout means yell. That means very loudly speaking. Third one, follow. When you go to washroom in school, you follow the monitor, no? Or the first students, the student who is standing in the front. So follow means to go after someone. Fourth, scared. Scared means afraid. When you see a big mouse, you all get so scared of that. That means you all are afraid of mouse or any other insect. Fifth one is rug. Rug means mat. Mat you have seen at your place, at your home. Now comes the exercise. These are tick the correct answers that you are supposed to do in your notebook. I'm going to read these, but you are supposed to solve these. I'm not going to solve these. I'm just going to read. So number first is Mary is dash with her friends. So what was Mary doing? Option A, dance. B, playing. Second, who brought fruits and biscuits? A, mother. B, father. Third, dash starts shouting seeing the mouse. A, Aslam. B, Mary. Number fourth, what Mary did after seeing the mouse? A, jump and run. B, laugh. Fifth, how Mary was sitting in the living room. A, feet up. B, feet down. Sixth, who said let's go and play? A, Harjeet. B, Aslam. Seventh, who came to living room? A, Millie. B, mother. Eighth, where was Mary standing? A, on the bed. B, on the chair. Ninth, Mary was dash to see mouse. Scared. B, happy. 10th, why did mouse come? A, to play. B, to taste biscuits. 11th, Harjeet said mice are A, bad. B, nice. So now all these work you are supposed to do in your notebook, as well as you are supposed to read the chapter twice or thrice. Now your chapter 1 is complete. I'll give you a test also.